Hello everyone. Are you ready for our lesson today? Today we will talk about place variable through millions. Are you ready to start? Okay. Before we start, let's remember what we already did last session. Can you tell me the first digit called what? The first digit in the place what? Great job, it's ones. What about the second one? Tens. And the third? Hundred. Super. And like we said before, when we read or write large number or we want to know the place value of each digit, we can make groups. We start groups from right and each group contains 3 digits. Okay, so let's make the groups together. So here we have 3 groups. In each group we have 3 digits, okay? But the last one could be or could contain 3, 2, or even 1 digit, okay? But the groups that before, it must contain 3 digits, okay? And the first group without name. Like we said before, let's see the second group. The first digit called what? Ones, tens, hundreds. Super. The first group without name. The second group is group of thousand. Okay? So the first digit is 1,000, the second 10,000, and the third 100,000. Okay? So the first group without name. The second group of thousand. The third group, it's the new lesson. It's the group of million. Okay? So the first digit will be million, the second will be 10 million, and the third will be 100 million. Okay? So like we said before, we will make groups. In each group we will put 3 digits. But the last one, only the last one could be 1 or 2 or 3. Okay? First group without name. Second group, group of thousand. Third group, group of million. Okay? That's great. Okay, let's see this boy. He will help us in our lesson today. Let's say hello to him. Hello. And he tell us, hello my friends. I tell you how to read large number in easy way. You need to do 2 steps. Okay. Can you tell us what's the 2 steps? He tells us that the first step we will make groups, and the second one we will use the key of answer. Okay? Let's see how. We have this number. We need to read this number. How we can read it? First of all, we will make groups here. When you make groups, you will see that we have 3 groups. Okay? The first digit is ones. The first digit here, ones, tens, hundred. In each group like that, we start new groups. So we start from ones, tens, hundred. Start new group. So you will start from ones, tens, hundred. Don't forget the first group without name. The second one, it's a group thousand. The third, million. So the first group without name, the second thousand, the third million. Now when we used the key of answer, now it became so easy to read this number. Let me show you how you can read this number. Okay? When we read a number, when we read it or write it, we start from left. Okay? So here it will be like that. 634,263,804. Let me say it again. We'll start from left, okay? So you will say the number, then the place of this number. So this number is like that. 634,263,804. Okay? Now let's answer some question together. I will answer the first one, and I need from you to focus because you will answer the second and the third, okay? And let's see who will be the winner today, me or you. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, in the first one here, he wants from you to write this number in a letter. It could look like that. Maybe he will tell you write the number in words. It's the same, okay? So we need to do 2 steps. The first step is what? Can you tell me? Yeah, great. The first step, we will make groups. If you look carefully here, you will see that the last group contains only 1 digit, and that's okay. Okay, so the first step, make groups. The second step, use key of answer. That's to write the place of each one. Okay. Now let's see how we can write or read this number. We will start from left. Here we have 8,225,315. Okay, you got it? And when we finish a group, just put comma. Okay, now it's your turn. I need one of you to answer number B. Are you ready? Great. Now stop the video, try to solve this one alone. After you finish, play the video again, and I'm waiting for you. Come on, stop the video. Okay, my dears, welcome back. Now, can you tell me how we can write this number in a letter? What should we do? Yeah, super, I can hear you. We will do 2 steps. The first one, we will make groups. Let's make the groups. The second one, use the key of answer. Great. Okay. Now, can you tell me what's this number? Yeah, super. I can hear you. You tell me that it's 12,525,760. Great job. And because your answer is correct, you get a smile star. Super. Okay. Now let's see question number C. Who can tell me how we can write this number in words? Come on. Okay, go ahead, tell me. First, we will make groups. Use key of answer. Great job. Okay, now tell me, this number is what? Excellent. It's 103,285,933. Great job. And because your answer is correct, you get a smile face. Super, super, my dear. Okay. Now let's see another question. Here he wants from you to complete the extended form. He gave you this number, okay, and he wants from you to write each digit alone, okay? Like we did in the last lesson, we will start from left, okay? The first digit we have here is 4, but if we write 4 like that, it will be 4 ones, right? But here it's not 4 ones. Here it's 400 million. Okay, how we can differentiate between 4 and 400 million? We need to put zeros, okay, to respect the place. How we can do that? We will write 4, okay? Then you will count how many digits before 4. Let's count to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 8 digits before 4. So we need to put 8 zeros, okay? And when you read this number, it will be 400 million. So here we respect the place of 4, okay? What you take is just cancel to not confuse. And let's look for the number before. Here we have 1. So we need to write 1. Okay, but if you leave it like that, maybe if I don't know the question, I will say it's 1 once. No, it's not once. So we need to count how many digits before 1. Let's count together. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 digits. We will replace these 7 digits with 7 zeros. Let's do it. And we have here 10 million, okay? Because the 1 here in the place of 10 million, when we put zeros, we respect the place of the digit, okay? So we take 4 and 1, the next one is 3, he already write it for you in the question, and the second one here is 0, okay? When we add 0 to any number, it will make any difference? No, right? So just ignore, okay? The second 8, okay? He already write it for you, so just skip. The second one is 9, so let's write 9. The 9 here in the place of 1,000, so we need to write 9,000. That means 9 with 3 zeros. Or you can ask yourself, how many digits before 9? When you count, you will see that we have 3 digits before 9. That means we will replace these digits with zeros, so it will be 9,000. Okay, before 9 we have 7, cancel, then we have 6, let's write it, and we have only 1 digit before 6, so we will put only 1 0, because the 6 here in the place of tens, so it will be 6. You get it? Are you sure? Okay, that's great. Now it's your turn to answer this one. Come on, stop the video, try to solve it alone. After you finish, play the video again, then compare your answer with mine. If your answer correct, you will be the winner. But if it's not, I will be the winner. Okay? Come on, stop the video, and I'm waiting for you. Okay, my dears, welcome back. Let's see your answer. So here, when we start from left, you will see that he answered the first digit for you. Okay, so 1, let's cancel 1. He already write it. The digit before is 5, so let's write 5. How many digits before 5? Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 digits. So we need to replace these 7 digits with 7 zeros. Let's do it. Okay. So here we have 50 million, okay? When we put zeros, we respect the place of 5. Now let's cancel 5. He already write the 2 and the 3 for you, so cancel or skip. Now we reach 8, so let's write 8. The 8 here in the place of 80,000. That means we need to put 4 zeros. Okay, if you confused or you're not sure how many zeros you need to put, just count the digits before 8. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we need to put 4 zeros. Okay. Then he write the 7 for you. Skip. Before 7 we have 0. What we said in this. Yeah, just ignore the 0. Then we have 9. Let's write 9. It's in the place of tens. That means we need to put 0. Or ask yourself, how many digits before 9? You will see that we have only 1 digit, so that means we will put 1 0. Okay? I guess it became so easy now, right? That's great. Okay. Now let's see this question. It's like a game, you know. Here, one from you. Write the value of the underlined digit. So he gave you a number, okay, and he puts a line under 1 digit, and he wants from you to tell what is the value of this digit. It's a game. Let's search for the number that has a line, okay? Then let's see what's the value of this number. Are you ready? Great. Now let's see this. The first one. I will answer the first one. Then you will continue. Okay? Okay. Let's see. Let's search. Where is the underline? Yeah, here. We have line under 8. So you were right. 8. Okay. Then ignore the digits that after 8. Ignore it like it's not here. We can see it. Okay. Then count how many digits before 8. Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 digits. Just replace these digits with zeros. Let's see how. So the value of 8 here is 80,000. You get it? That's a great. All what you have, just look for the number that has underline, write it, then count how many digits before this number and replace these digits with zeros. That's it. See? So easy. It's like a game, right? Okay. Now your turn. Come on, answer this one. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, welcome back. Can you tell me what is the value of 3? Super. First of all, we will write number 3. Yeah, great. Do we have any number after 3? No, that's a great. Let's count how many digits before 3. Let's count to know. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 digits. Now, what we should do? Come on, tell me. Yeah, super. We will replace these digits with zeros. That means we will put what? We will put 8 zeros. Let's put it together. That's a great job, my dear. Okay, now let's see the last question here. Can you tell me what is the value of the underlined digit? Come on. First of all, let's look for this digit. Where is the underline? Yeah, here. We have 7. So let's write 7. Do we have digits after 7? Yeah. What we should do here? Great job. Just ignore. Super. Okay. What about before? Let's count. How many digits before 7? Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits before the underlined digit. What should we do here? Yeah, super. We will replace these digits with zeros. So how many zeros should we put here? 5. Great job. Let's put it. So if I ask you about the value of the underlined digit here, you will tell me it's 700,000, right? Great. And now, Habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So guys, bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.